Kusho titolo letisithupha enkhabeni dolobha yaseMahikeng namhla ekuseni. Ticimamlilo tikhonile ukucima lo mlilo ngemuva kwema-hour lambalwa. Imbangela yawo isengakatiwa kwanyalo. Heron Variawa ushelo titolo takhe letine kuletisithupha letitsinzekile.
It's a shock and never expected something to be like this. I was here yesterday checking up on all the tenants if everything was all right and they were fine. And then I get a call this morning at about 6 that the shop is on fire, the one. And by the time I got here, they all were engulfed in the fire.
Nga 2020 letinye titolo khona kuleli dolobha tashata ngqongqa. Kanzi imbangela bekuthi inzambo tagesi lebetifakwe ngalokungekho emthethweni. So dolobha wamasipala waseMahikeng Tshepiso Mphehlo uthi imbangela yalomlilo kungalandzeli imigomo yetekuphepha.
We just went through the shops and to check if they are really compliant, the connections of the wiring, and we were not impressed really. What we saw 2 days ago, the same conditions are still there. And we're really going to take these things and fight these illegal connections of electricity because they are going to mess up the town.
Kusenjalo takhamuti taseMahikeng tikhathatekile ngalesehlakalo sekusha kwetitolo enkhabeni dolobha.
We are not happy the way the shops have been structured, and time to time we are going to see fire coming because our shop has been reduced into small shops.
Most painful thing is that we don't know about electricity, or are we going to get electricity on time.
Kusangakacaci kahle ukuthi luphenyo lekuhlolisisa ukuthi yini imbangela yalomlilo lutawuthatha isikhathi lesingakanani.